Why is sodium in row 3, column 1? The answer is hidden inside its electrons. Sodium has 11 electrons arranged in 3 shells, 2, 8, 1. Count the shells, that's 3. Three shells means period 3. 1 outer electron means group 1. The electrons tell you exactly where to place it. Students often count all the electrons for the group number. Only count the outer shell electrons. Remember, period equals shells, group equals guests on the outer shell. That's your exam shortcut. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.